Hello everyone, I'm so excited for today's video. Today we're gonna be trying some new color contact lenses. You know how much I love to incorporate contact lenses within the makeup looks that I'm doing. And today's video is brought to you by a company called Mislens. Mislens brand is founded in 2020 and it specializes in all kinds of contact lenses. Whether you wanna try natural prescription contact lenses, cosplay or Halloween, you have many varieties on their website, but today we're going to be talking about brand new series which is called Rococo. Today we're going to go through 5 different color contact lenses from this series that I've chosen for today's try on, and these are colors that I've chosen: Royalty Blue, Flirting Blue, Triumph Gray, Encounter Green, and Adoration Brown. I have dark eyes and I had no issues whatsoever showing up this color from this collection, like their true color and pattern within them. It's showing up really clearly. Now, depending on the style that you prefer, now you can see the difference and choose for yourself what do you like. Also, the following collection is their latest original Rococo collection of 13 lenses from which you can choose many different styles. For today's purpose, I created this Rococo inspired makeup look as well. Before we continue, I just wanted to mention that I provided a discount code Ivana, so make sure whenever you are going through checkout to use that discount. Anyways, this is how packaging looks like, and it has like 3D print in front, and here you can see through this, you can see the color of your lens, which I think it's really useful thing to do. I also got these containers where I put my lenses in, and also of course they have marked which one is right, which one is left. Now, before I use these contact lenses for the first time, or any other contact lenses in that case, I took them out from this container and then I soaked these lenses into a lens solution and I left them overnight. You can leave them from anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. Anyways, let's go on to first contact lenses, which is Royalty Blue. Now, these particular contact lenses, they have insane pattern within them, super bright, and I love how inner part of these lenses we do have some red and yellow and orange thing going on, and it's just a beautiful transition. Also, we are having darker blue on the edges. In general, I'm liking more contact lenses that are having ring around. This is not a specific ring in a sense that is super harsh, but it does have slightly transition as well. This is how they look like in a combination of artificial light and daylight. They are a little bit more intense, so maybe if you're having lighter eyes, they won't be super intense like they are on me, because I'm having darker eyes. So I'm loving that they are showing up even more. Diameter on these lenses is 14.2, also on every other contact lenses that I'm trying today. If you are into a little bit more subtle blue, I'm gonna show you Flirting Blue, which, as you can see, is having a little bit more specific ring around them, but that is what I do love in contact lenses. And they're also having a blue pattern within them, but it's not intense as on the previous one. So I would say that these are a little bit more toned down. So if you're looking for that, then maybe this one will be a better choice for you. I love how they are cool tone. So they're almost leaning a little bit towards gray side, but at the end of the day, these are blue lenses and I do love pattern inside of them. It was super easy to apply them, so I had no issues when it comes to application of these color contact lenses. This is comparison between the two, Royalty and Flirting Blue. As you can see, both of them are having patterns, but the edge is way different, and the color on Flirting Blue is leaning much more cooler toned than Royalty Blue. Next one will be Triumph Gray, and again, as Royalty Blue, they do have specific pattern, but as these are on a gray side, they will show up differently in a sense that they will be a little bit toned down than the blue one. Again, pattern is the same, and the inner part also, where you can see, I do love these little bits and pieces that are kind of thrown in as a pattern, a little bit orangey / reddish or brown, depending on where it's positioned on the lens. Triumph Gray is a really great combination of light gray, really deep gray, and then inner circle is really different from the rest of the lens, but when it transitions from your natural lens, for example, I'm having brown eyes, so the transitions go really smooth towards the edge, and that's what I like actually when it comes to this pattern. I was trying to choose different patterns and different colors so you can see the variety in today's try on for this series. Now let's move on to a Encounter Green. These are beautiful green lenses with a ring around them, and they are not too bright, also having beautiful pattern within them, but they do look really natural, especially on my eyes. They are not too bright, and I really like the intensity that they are providing. Again, really easy to use as the rest of them. Same diameter. This is how color looks like on my eyes. Now, this lens doesn't have any ring around them. They are kind of open when it comes to pattern. All they do is having pattern on them that it's not disrupted by anything else, and these are Adoration Brown. Even though these are brown lenses, they are pretty warm toned and much more lighter than my eyes. So there is a big difference between my eye and these lenses, even though again they are brown, but because they are having light patterns in between the brown color, that's what makes them different. I wanted to try the one that are not having ring around them. This is how lenses from Rococo collection looks without any ring around them. So there are three main types when it comes to this series, and the one is having specific ring around them. The other one are not having anything but just color pattern around them, and then we are having specific lens that are having specific color inside and then pattern in the middle and then ring around them, which I think it's a lot going on, but they do look so beautiful. Also, you do have instructions inside the package how to use lenses, what is correct, what is incorrect, how you should apply them, and other specific instructions how to use them, which I think it's really important whenever you are using any lenses. Obviously, it's our eyes, and we have to take care of every single detail when it comes to taking care of our eye lenses. All the necessary links and information are listed in the description box as well, so make sure to check it out, as well as discount code they provided for you. If you're having any questions regarding this collection or Mislens contact lenses in general, please let me know. Also, let me know what is your favorite when it comes to color choice. Again, I'm so grateful for making today's video happen. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!